Welcome back to my channel Prabha Crafts. I am doing this beautiful leaf applique. Very easy. Try it. Let's get started. I am using light color green color yarn, scissor, needle, 2.5 mm crochet hook to make it slip knot. This more length is used for stitching purpose. Channel 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, skip 4, fifth channel using slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. The channel using slip stitch. The round loop is formed. Next, inside the round, go to single crochet. Next, 7 half double crochet inside the round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, inside the round, go to single crochet. Next, go to slip stitch. Next, again channel 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, skip 4, fifth channel, go to slip stitch. The round is formed. Next, this round inside single crochet. Next, 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, go to single crochet. Next, inside the round is go to slip stitch. Next, channel 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat the procedure, same round leaf. Skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth channel, go to slip stitch. Inside the round, go to single crochet. Next, 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Next single crochet. Next go to slip stitch. Third leaf is ready. Next channel 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth channel go to slip stitch. The round is formed. Inside the round, single crochet. Next 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 6, 7. Next single crochet. Next go to slip stitch. Next 2 slip stitch. 1 and 2. 1, 2. Next this portion continues 3 slip stitch. 1, this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next channel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next skip 4. Fifth channel go to slip stitch. The round is formed. Inside the round is single crochet. Next 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 7. Next single crochet. Next go to slip stitch. The fifth leaf is ready. Next to continuous 2 slip stitch. 1, 2. Next this portion continue to 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next channel 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 4. Fifth channel go to slip stitch. The round is formed. Next inside single crochet. Next 7 half double crochet. 1, 2, 7. Next single crochet. Next go to slip stitch. The leaf is ready. Next continuous 2 slip stitch. 1, 2. Next this portion, this point go to 5 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now cut the yarn. The beautiful leaf is ready. Thank you for watching. Please support. Please subscribe the channel. Like the video. Share the channel. Thank you.